Number 1. If you mix onion, garlic, and olive oil, your hair will grow by 10 centimeters in 1 week. Number 2. Mix coffee with lemon to burn the bad fats from your body. Number 3. By rubbing sugar and lemon on your feet, dead cells will be eliminated and your feet will become soft and smooth. Number 4. Chew a clove or apply it directly to your sore tooth to relieve the pain. Number 5. By drinking apple cider vinegar every morning on an empty stomach, you will no longer have pimples on your face and you will be healthy. Number 6. Apply garlic and olive oil to make your nails grow very quickly and make them stronger. Number 7. Mix Vaseline, coconut oil, and honey to reduce dark circles and bags under the eyes. Number 8. If you have a sore throat, try gargling warm water mixed with salt and lemon. Save the video to remember these natural remedies. If you're interested in natural medicine, be sure to share these tips with others who might find them beneficial. See you next time. Take care and stay blessed.